Get ready, because today we're gonna be making homemade cinnamon toast crunch. So I got inspired because I'm seeing a lot of Instagram posts, a lot of TikToks on everyone doing these like mini pancake cereal. So they're making like mini pancakes and they're eating it like cereal, and I thought, yeah, that's fun, but why not just make homemade actual cereal? In this case, Cinnamon Toast Crunch is, I was gonna say it's my favorite, but it's not. It's like top 3 favorite cereals growing up. I'm gonna share to you guys how to make an easy homemade version at home, because why not?
So first things first, get some cold butter, bowl with some AP flour and some wheat flour, and a dash of cinnamon. You want to combine your cold butter into the flour mixture and you want to smash it and mash it until it becomes like the consistency of sand. And then you're going to slowly pour your ice cold water and a splash of vinegar until you form a ball. Of course, you could use a food processor for this process, but I like to make my life difficult. And yes, that is a rice paddle, and yes, that is my choice of weapon for today. Now once you get a ball formed, now the key here is that the thinner you roll out your dough, the crunchier your Cinnamon Toast Crunch squares will be. Of course, you could make these any shape you want, but the whole motif is Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and their MO is basically square-like shapes. So you're gonna cut them into even squares, and then once you have some even squares, you want to generously dunk them into some delicious cinnamon sugar. Once that's done, you're gonna bake them off and let them cool, and they're ready to eat. Here's some crunchy ASMR. You're welcome.
I told you that was gonna be quick and easy. Homemade, simple, semi-healthy Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So let's give it a try. I don't think there was any way for me to get it thinner, but I'm sure if I was able to get the cereal thinner, like paper thin, then it would be like delicious. But it's a little dry. The milk really does help a lot of it. I really feel like I'm just eating pie crust, but it's not really a bad thing. Wow. What a fun recipe. I'll link it down below. Homemade Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you love cereal and milk like me, or well, just me. I'll catch you guys till the next video. Take care. Bye.